everybody. Or should I say, hello? No, I can't say that, can I? I can just hear the hate comments already rolling in.
You're not original! Stop trying to be Christine!
There are dogs and cats and babies surrounding me, so this is gonna make for a great video. Yes, welcome to a special Friday upload. I'm gonna try to film and edit and upload this all in one day, so let's see. So obviously you all know the trend that's going on around YouTube right now, so I decided, why not copy a makeup tutorial of a nail artist? I've been following SIMPLYNAILOGICAL for a long time on YouTube and I adore her, but her makeup skills are kind of on par with mine as far as like, I kind of know what I'm doing, but not really. Bro, do you want to come in here?
Yeah.
The video I've pulled up, it's about 1.5 years old. I usually film upstairs where all this chaos can't be around me, but no, I decided not to do that today. So I guess let's just jump into this video and see what Christine has in store for us.
Hi, hello. I'm Christine, and I do my nails. First things first, there's such thing as a peel-off face coat for face washing.
There is, isn't there? Like, it's not a good thing, but I've seen it on like Wish and stuff. I've never used it, I don't know.
Washing the face. This is cold water. Now I'm awake.
So she washed her face with cold water first. So let's do that. Bet she didn't try to do this with a baby. So who needs product, right? Who needs to actually wash her face with like face wash? All right, first step done.
I'm awake. I got a ring light. I know. See, I'm doing this for real.
Me too.
Exfoliate. That tastes good.
Exfoliate, is she exfoliating her lips? Okay, let's see. She doesn't say what products she is using so far. I have a Tarte lip scrub I'll just go ahead and throw on if I can get it open. That's what I'm doing. You want some too? See, she's doing it too. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Washing the face. Again.
She washed the face again. Okay, well. So I guess she just washed her face to get the sugar off.
Toning the face.
I don't have toner. I used to, but I ran out of it recently. So I guess I'll skip this part.
Moisturizing the face. Feels like it's too oily to put makeup on.
Okay, moisturizer. What do I have? This is the Acai Berry Moisturizer by Skin Script. Let's go. I don't usually moisturize right before I put makeup on because I feel like primer doesn't stick.
Primer. That's what this is, right? It says shine killer. We're gonna kill a shiny bitch today.
Okay, so she used primer. I don't have that NYX primer that she has, but I do have the Luminizer primer by Dr. Brandt, so I'll just use that. Bro, don't put that on your mouth. That's primer.
Color correcting, because my face is always wrong.
Okay, so she color corrects. I've color corrected like twice in my life.
I'm gonna use an e.l.f. concealer brush, you know, like the cleanup brush for your nails. This looks like an eyeshadow palette.
Okay, so I don't have that brush, but I do have a flat brush, so.
So first, we're gonna go in with green and put it on things that are red. So you got Christmas.
Don't put your fingers in the purple! Ugh. Do people normally color correct right here? I don't know, it seems dumb. Like that.
This is kind of fun.
Okay, so she's putting like a concealer color under her eyes. I know from experience that you're supposed to put like orange and purple spots, so I'm gonna do that. She definitely does not have as bad as under eye circles as I do. Thanks, genetics! I swear to God, guys, I sleep. I actually sleep probably more than the average person. It's all genetics, I swear.
I think you're supposed to blend this shit. I only bought this sponge thing because the internet told
Okay,
me to.
so I guess I'm supposed to start blending now. So blend this, I guess. Did I mention that I have to go out into public after this? Whatever I end up doing to my face right now, I have to go to the dog groomers and drop my dog off to get groomed. Okay, blended, I think.
Conceal all the random colors I just put on my face.
Dear God, please tell me she uses foundation. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna conceal. So she did like a bunch of dots on her face. How's that? Is that good? I don't ever do my concealer like this ever. What in the hell is happening? Blendy, blendy, Wendy.
Blendy, blendy, Wendy.
What's next, Christine?
We're gonna put some cement on her face. Ah!
Oh dear God. She uses a brush? It's used as a sponge for other things. The only foundation I have right now, I'm running out, and I actually, while I'm out looking like great, I guess I gotta go buy some more, but right now all I have is this Limelight by Alcone foundation, which is great foundation, but it's so expensive, so I haven't bought Sparrow! So I have to like apply it with my finger, and then I'll blend it in with a brush like Christine does. It's wax based, so it's like not liquid, obviously, if it's wax. And then since this color is way too white for my skin tone, and I don't know how to shop for foundation online, I use another darker color that's too dark for my skin tone and just blend them in together. But you see, when you blend them together, they look like my skin tone. It's great. I actually hate blending out foundation with a brush, but oh my god, I think there's cat hair all over this brush. I hate this. Oh my god. Christy! So I don't have a cream contour palette. I only have this powder one by Smashbox, so that's what we're gonna do today. Is she using the same brush she just used for foundation?
Next we gotta contour that double chin.
Okay, well, so first she paints stripes on her hollows of her cheeks, like that. I've actually recently like stopped contouring because I feel like, first of all, I feel like I don't really need it, and second of all, I think it looks dumb. On me anyway, I don't know. Other people can do it really well so that it doesn't look dumb, but okay. And then next it looks like she's painting a nice thick line around her jaw, like so. This is not dark enough. Christine's is way darker.
Do I have a big nose? Should I even be contouring my nose? I don't understand how this works.
I never contour my nose, but I guess we're doing it today because Christine said so.
I'm just gonna go ahead and bake my face.
So we're baking now.
That's why they call people cake faces, because they baked a cake on their face. It all makes sense to me now.
She makes so many cuts in this video, I just can't keep up. She goes so fast. How's that?
Now let's add some blush to the apples of my cheeks, or the oranges of my cheeks, or all the fruits of my cheeks.
The blush she used just kind of looked like a matte, like peachy color. She was kind of just like dabbing it. Dab, 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 make your cheeks look fab! That method kind of really packs that color on. Not really in a good way. Too much, undo, undo.
Time to highlight. Am I the highlight of your day?
Okay, so I don't know if I have like that was kind of a pinky highlight she just used. Let me see what I got. Okay, so she did her cheeks. Did she highlight anywhere else? Okay, well, at least it's on the cheeks. That's something.
Why do people highlight this? Weird.
She did highlight right here, but that's it. No nose. I don't think she highlighted her nose. It's hard to tell.
Time to draw on some eyebrows.
Eyebrows, finally!
I've never felt self-conscious about my eyebrows until Instagram.
Girl, I felt self-conscious about my eyebrows since 6th grade. Thanks, Trichotillomania. So I usually have more of a like brow routine than this, but she literally just used one product. So, guess that's what we'll do.
I'm gonna comb you, little caterpillar.
I have no hair to comb through, so.
I really don't get this part, but I do it anyways.
Okay, so we're carving them out, all right. Quite frankly, I don't see the point of this step either if you're only using that one product. How come I feel like every single time I do this, my eyebrows end up uneven? Like, I could seriously like draw them on and they look even, and then the moment I do this, I'm like, oh, they're uneven again.
Who's smoking out?
Whoa, hold on. Rewind. What did you do, Kristen? Whoa, hold on. All right. So we're literally just putting black on our lids. Okay. Did she even put primer on her lids? Well, if this looks bad, that just means it's not gonna last long. Christine, I'm not doubting your talents. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at applying makeup on this eye because I'm blind in this eye. Not actually blind, but almost blind. Don't tell me I need to wear contacts. I have keratoconus, so fuck off. You try trying to put a piece of glass on your eyeball every morning. Nope. I'll just go blind, thanks. I'm gonna blend this. I don't know if Christine like blends this out, but I just can't have a raccoon eye. Okay, now what?
Can someone else please come do my makeup?
Hold on, so she she cut and had pink glittery stuff on her eyes. Okay, and I don't know how she did it. If it were me and I was putting glitter over black eyeshadow, I would just use my finger, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, oh, it's not that bad.
Now I want some fleek liner or something.
Okay, she definitely smoked out her bottom lid and then didn't show it. I could definitely make my black a lot darker, but it doesn't look like she did that, so I'm gonna not.
I need some nail vinyls. I want an angel wing.
Okay, so she did a little tiny baby wing. My wings, I usually like make them a lot more obnoxious. Oh, it's the smallest wing in the world. I think I made my wings too big, but I tried to contain myself for Christine and I just couldn't do it.
I am terrified. I've never worn fake lashes before. I don't think that's right. I think I'm gonna cry. I don't even wear these. Oh my god.
Okay, so the only fake lashes I have right now are these ones that I got off of Wish, and I stopped using them a while ago because they're really, really thick. The bands are really thick, but they're all I have, so hers are kind of dramatic too. But she's clearly having issues with applying those lashes, and we're gonna be in the same boat because you see how freaking thick that lash band is? I think I usually trim these too. Ugh, hate these eyelashes. Like, this makes my eye look so much smaller because these eyelashes are so gigantic. Okay, lashes are on. This is ridiculous. What else are we doing, Christine? Thank goodness she uses mascara as well as fake eyelashes. Did she even put eyeliner on? Like, in her waterline? Cool. Okay, so she's lining her lips.
Ask me
Dark lipstick. Normally, I would not do a dark lip with a dramatic eye. She lined her lips with like a peachy color. I ran out of my peachy lip liner, but I never lined my lips anyway, so I don't know why I even owned one. I don't even know why I own this. I think BoxyCharm sent me this on time. See, this is why I don't line my lips. It's supposed to be a helpful tool, but it's just, I can't! So the color she used was the ColourPop one. I think I actually have that color that she used, maybe. It looked like it might have been this one, right? What is this? Calypso? Okay, that's not the same color as my lip liner. Oh my god. Okay. And with that, it looks like that's the end of the tutorial. So how do we do? My eyelashes are just goofy. I can't go to the dog groomer looking like this. I have to at least take my eyelashes off. Is this a joke? Honestly, I don't think Christine did that bad of a job. Her methods may be a little different than what I would do or maybe what anyone else would do. But in the end, it looks okay. So thank you, Christine, for showing me how to be a beautiful person. I wish I could be as beautiful as you someday. Did that sentence even make sense? I don't know. So this trend is a lot of fun and I would encourage you all to do this. Find a YouTuber that you look up to. I do look up to Christine. I may have given her a bunch of crap in this video, but you know what? I do look up to her and I think she's amazing. I encourage any of you to do the same. This is a lot of fun. I love this trend and I love that it's going on. Maybe I'll do another one with like an actual like Jeffree Star or something. Like to like do some crazy one because that sounds like a lot of fun too. Christine's was a little hard to follow because she used a lot of quick cuts, but we ended up with this and it's not that bad. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this special Friday upload. Usually I only upload on Tuesdays, but every once in a while I like to throw a special one in there for you. But make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss those videos. And all my social media is also down there. My kid's really cute. Sometimes she comes in and out of these videos. I have a lot of cats and dogs. Django, come here. I might as well, since I've been talking about having to get my dog groomed today. I've never introduced my pets, well, my dogs. This is Django. He is a Yorkie, but also I think he must be mixed with like a Schnauzer or something. But do you see his face? He's very dirty. He needs a haircut. So I'm gonna go to the dog groomer now. Sparrow, you've been introduced on YouTube enough times. This is Noodle. He doesn't need haircuts ever, but he wanted an introduction, so he's a Chiweenie. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you on Tuesday. Bye!